So guys, we're in the Intramuros area here in the Philippines, and my brother-in-law is actually asking me or telling me to come down here and check this out because it's really nice. So I want to show this to you guys. My long-time followers here on the channel, they've been with this channel for almost 15 years now. We don't do usually travel blogs almost at all unless it's conspiracy related, but I just thought I'd show you guys because a lot of people are messaging me and asking me about relocating to certain countries. So here I am in the Philippines. I am investigating it. I am looking around to tell you guys what I think of it and what you guys could see of what I'm filming here. This is a very, I guess, attractive spot to come and check out. So lots of people dining and eating lunch. Yeah, let's check it out. You see on the right side here, you see a massive wall. And
it's
very colonial. Well, let's go straight and see where it takes us. Murala.
I'm looking a spot to
park. This is a really nice historical up-and-coming district. They're restoring a lot of the condominiums and buildings here. Looks like a desired location for people moving in. I want this kind of scenery. Got some work being done there.
Shut up, huh?
Muros. Okay. Meron nga pala kaming payong. Ba't yung ginagamit?
So muro in Portuguese means muro. It just means wall. And we were on these walls, almost like the Great Wall. It's amazing. It's like you just step into the past. 3 blocks over there, you got the Manila skyline. And 3 blocks over here, you just step back in time. So you got these outlook areas. Yeah, these are outlook areas. Yeah, these are outlook areas. So you could actually get a line of sight, a certain area you want to. This way you could put your sniper or your whoever up here, archer, and he could look down again from a specific angle that matters. A lot of steps here, like everywhere is loaded with steps.
This purpose is for defense, no?
It's all defense, buddy. It's all defense. That's really, really cool how they... Really cool. There's a lot of work went into building this structure, for sure. Look at the walkway, too. Look at the size of the stones are pretty big, too. But the walkway is huge.
Escalesa.
Take note that the stones are very uneven to walk on, so be careful. I got my slippers on. I don't know, I should have brought something else to walk on this thing. So in here there's a golf course on this side of the wall. And on this side it takes you back to the city. You get a view of the city here. But it's really, really nicely set up here. It's almost like the wall serves a purpose in keeping a little bit of heritage, so people know who they are, where they came from, or they don't forget their history. Oh, it comes up to this plateaued area here. It's pretty cool. We took the wall way back from there, walked it to the other side here. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna...
Have anime and then the time up.
Look.
1860.
18. Yeah, this is all numbered, eh? 1816. See here? 1861. Interesting. We reach up here, we find another platform of defense. And this one's armed with cannons, like actual cannons here, overlooking the area of interest. So, canyons. These are all pointing in specific directions. Again, points of interest, and this goes on and on. It looks like you got, wow, the steps aren't even closed off. You can walk down there and walk around and explore it if you want. There's your cannon right here. Is there a year on it? There's no year on it, eh? And there's the line of sight that they were defending here. You can see here. This area right here is where they would have probably kept a lot of the munitions or the cannonballs, and the gunpowder would be remained back here. So it's protected, and I think the runners would run up the cannonballs up these ramps. So you see the runners would come up with the cannonballs and the desired gunpowder required, and they'd arm these things. They'd have enough room here to back it out, and then they have enough room to wheel it back in, because you're going to have to pull it back at least 3.5 to 4 feet, and you would have to wedge the wheels so that you could load the cannon into the cannonball into the cannon. And there's a little bit of an inscription here. It looks like it's Spanish, a Spanish inscription up here. So most of these things were made in Spain, and then they were shipped over. I did find some cobblestone streets, people, but I wasn't recording. I'm sorry. There's the Manila skyline back there. It's almost like the past is the shadow of the future of some sorts, or the past is the... We got cannons down here too. You can see them over there. The wall extends. This thing goes on. This is big. I think we walked 4.5 miles around this thing. 3 miles, 4 miles around this, taking our time. And I ran out of battery, so we had to come back to the car and get a bit of a boost here. But I did find 2 cobblestone streets, but unfortunately, I wasn't recording. But I'm willing to bet all of this was cobble. This city was protected at one point, and you could see the barrage of artillery that's pointing east of here.
It's a nice place.
Yeah, there's your cobblestone streets. But that's not old cobble, that's new cobble. That's interlock cobble. That's new stuff. Right? That's really nice there. See that?